case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing case of breach of contract for a flooring purchase, a lawsuit playing out in the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division in 2003 shed light on the laws governing buyers' rights in contracts. In the hands of defendants, BeaverHome.com, Inc. was a fully paid-for order of wood flooring intended for Toto Home, LLC. That is, until the defendants failed to deliver the promised product. The plaintiffs had purchased the flooring for $15,124.69, which they paid in full. However, when the product did not arrive as scheduled, the plaintiffs canceled the order and sought out an alternative supplier for a steeper price of $19,166.25. Discontent brewing over the extra expense led to a lawsuit filed against BeaverHome.com, Inc. for breach of contract. A central figure in the proceedings was UCC Article 2, a law which gives buyers the right to find substitute goods and recover the price difference. The court found itself nestled in the folds of this legal principle as it ruled on the plaintiff's motion for recovery of purchase price and additional cost. Guided by this statute, the court granted Toto Home, LLC the right to recover the purchase price. The request for additional costs, however, was declined. The court opined the plaintiffs had not substantiated any consequential damages arising from the breach. The culmination of this lawsuit saw the plaintiffs being awarded cover damages of $4,041.56, plus prejudgment interest, a concession for the breach of contract by BeaverHome.com, Inc. After the judgment was entered, the plaintiffs were awarded one bill of costs, consequently marking an end to their right to direct appeal from the interim order.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class